Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to December. It's currently the 2nd of December and when I'm filming this, so Christmas month has begun. So today I'm going to do kind of like a green glittery eye look. I kind of did one for a reel a couple of videos ago, but I'm going to do this one a little bit more green. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm first going to just prime my skin using my First base by Misguided and just apply that onto my skin. Also, don't look at my nails. I'm going to be doing them later on today. I'm then going to go in with my concealer and just conceal my eyelids. Okay, so I went off camera and did this eye. Let me move the light a bit closer. Did this eye, which you can see is a really nice sparkly green eye. So how I did it was, let's find out. So I went into my Neon Bright palette first and I took the shade Slice of Lemon, which is this. Also did this as well. Why do I even wear white? Because everything I use or touch that's white turns into some weird colour. So I went into this shade here, which is a lime green colour, and I just brushed that through my crease. So just blended that into my crease. Kind of looks a little bit like a Shrek colour. I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it on I was a bit like, have I made a bad decision? But it's just poking through to create a really nice kind of subtle bit of green. So the next colour I went in with is the shade Oasis. Whoa. Oh my god, incapable of holding it. Is this shade here, and I just took it on this little packing in brush and I just kind of did it in the outer V and kind of did a little like a kind of like a halo eye, but not to the inner corner. I left the inner corner clear. Just packed that in and then going in and just blending it out. And I did that a few times, so I layered up the colour to kind of create this nice deep green shade. And again, don't worry about the edges. I go in and clean them up after. So I'm going to go in now with that shade and I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Labyrinth, which is just a little bit darker. They look the same on camera, but it's a little bit darker green. And I'm just again going to pack that into the outer lid, bringing it across a little bit and then just kind of sticking it into the socket and blending it all out. It's important to keep blending with these kind of colours so that everything gets all nicely blended together and kind of looks like it should. So then you're at this stage and I'm going to then take my angled brush like this and I'm going to shade, oh look at my hands. I'm going to then take the shade, a bit of this blue shade here called, that's where my nail went into it. You can see the shade Stormy Night, Labyrinth, Oasis, the black one, and Threat, and just kind of do a little wing and bring it into my inner corner. So starting at the eye line, blending it upwards, and take a little bit of the two green shades and just drawing a little wing on and then sticking it in to there. And then I'm going to go in the shade, the black shade and the other darker shade, and just blend and darken up a little bit on the inner corner and blend that out as always. And then to neaten all of this up, I'm going in with one of my reusable wipe things and just slicing it upwards. Okay, so for the glitter, I used my Clara Cosmetics Marrakesh eyeshadow palette, which is a little bit battered, but I just took this shade here, which is kind of like a green shade, on a little flat brush like this, and I just packed it onto my eyelid. And I mean, it is such a gorgeous colour. I feel like green at the minute is really in, and it's not a colour I used to wear, but I think when it's done right it can look really nice and kind of yeah, can look nice. And then I also went in with my Bella Peri eyeshadow palette, All the Stars, and I took a mixture of these two shades here, and I just took them on a fluffier brush because these are more like a fairy dust texture, so I took them on a brush like this and just kind of dusted them over to kind of create a bit more of a sparkle. So that's the more greeny shade that I'm just applying all the way up to my eyebrow. Because it's Christmas, it's all glitter ahead. And then I took the dark shade and just kind of like patted that right into where I put the darker shades. So down in the bottom. And there. So that is the eyes for now. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my rest of my face, so my eyebrows and all that, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back and I've done underneath of this eye. So all I did was I took my Misguided pencil and just ran that in my waterline. Can't see what I'm doing. And I put it through my top crease as well, my top lid as well, and took it on the bottom, like just underneath my lid. And then I took the brush that I used for this bit with no more added product and just kind of blended it underneath the eyelid. Then took my angled brush and really deepened up under the eye. I am going to take the brush that I put the glitter on and just take a little bit underneath the eyelids, the eyelashes, and added some mascara. I'm going to add my eyelashes, so these are just the Demi Wispy Ardell ones. nothing too ferocious, although this look could take quite a thick eyelash, but I'm not a thick eyelash kind of gal. And here is the finished look. I just added my lipstick and some lower lash mascara, and here it is. I really like this look. I think it's really pretty and I think it's great for this kind of season. It looked really nice with a black velvet dress, or if you were going to like a ball or something and you wanted something a little bit more, I don't know, shimmery on your eyes. I think that this is a really nice look to do. So yeah, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on Sunday with another video. I was gonna do what I got for my Black Friday, but I ordered it a week ago and it still isn't here. It's from Bershka, so hopefully that arrives soon, and we're not waiting for the next parcel from next year's Black Friday. But anyway, I'm gonna go and take my eyelids off and take some Instagram pictures in my new shoes. So if you want to see what they are, then don't forget to follow me. I don't want to like my nails. Follow me here. My hands are so dry as well. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye!